Looking for ways to get the most from your back-to-school budget? Well, David Gregg, senior editor of BehindTheBuy.com, joins us today with some great ideas and deals for students from kindergarten all the way through college. Welcome back, David.
Hey, good to be back in the studio.
Hey, let's talk a little bit about the initial back-to-school rush. I mean, people are going out and getting the things like the notebooks and the pencils and all the things on the requirements list.
Sure.
Where's the best place to go to do that?
You know, what we always look for at BehindTheBuy.com are not only practical products, but also the best value that's out there. So to answer that question, everybody knows CVS, and CVS Pharmacy is known for personal care items. However, they have an entire line of essentials for back-to-school products and supplies called Caliber. And this is an example of some of them, the notebooks and pens and pencils and little note boards and stuff like that. And they have this, and I'll let you hold it up, their Extra Care Card. What this Extra Care Card does through September 22nd is they will allow you, for every $10 spent on the Caliber supplies, they'll put an extra buck back in your extra buck program. So it's like basically found money.
I love this. I have this. And it really does. It makes a big difference every time you make purchases.
It definitely does. And with over 7,300 store locations all across the country, no matter where you are, you can definitely, take advantage of the program and, of course, the savings. And they have snacks and all of the other staples that are necessary for back to school. But again, people don't associate them necessarily with supplies, but they have their own line of supplies, and you can save money big time.
I like that you brought breakfast, too.
Oh, of course. You got to have the healthy
breakfast, yes.
Yeah, for sure.
So, okay, now another thing to think about this time of year, especially if you're sending little kids off to school for the first time, you want to have a camera phone that has a really good camera, and that can, you can get there fast because 5-year-olds tend to not stay in one place long.
And not only that, we know that no matter what the age, from kindergarten through college, so many people are using their cell phones now to watch TV videos and just their pictures in general. Absolutely. This is brand new from Sony, and let me get it going here. It is called the Xperia Ion. We'll get a shot of that. You'll notice it's big 4.6-inch display right there. It is also all high definition. So it takes high definition video through the camcorder that's in this. It's got a 12-megapixel camera inside of it. Whoever thought you could put a 12-megapixel camera inside?
Inside a phone.
And you know how when you take a picture with a phone, it usually takes forever to go from phone to picture? In less than a second and a half, it goes from regular phone to being able to take a picture or video.
That's fantastic. So mom's at the soccer game and she wants to catch that moment when, their son or daughter are, scoring a goal. You can make that transition quickly.
And also the services through AT&T, but here's the kicker. For a full HD camera, camcorder phone that's Android-based and it's smartphone, for under $100.
That's amazing.
Killer price. The prices have come way down.
Now, I cannot get started in the morning without at least 2 of what you've brought along today, and that's the little cups of the single brew coffee. And I hear that there's a new function you can actually, for our summer heat, do this iced?
Yeah, you can brew it over ice, and everybody's familiar with Keurig. This particular model is the Keurig Mini, and the Keurig Mini Express is just like the big full-size ones. The exception is the size. It also comes in at least 5 different colors, so it'll go with all the dorm room decor. And it takes the K-Cup portion packs, but as you were saying, it also has these new K-Cup packs that are specially formulated to brew over ice. So iced tea, coffee drinks, they even have regular cold fruit type drinks. But the great thing about it is, like for example with the iced coffee, the milk, the sweetener, all of the stuff is all prepackaged in here already.
What?
So hence the saying it's specially formulated.
So you literally can just brew over ice.
Exactly. And
go.
And a lot of people don't get it, but basically you take the cup, you fill it with ice, it brews up in about 2 minutes, and then push the button and the ice turns it into iced coffee, and that's the brew over ice. But again, it's all about the specially formulated K-Cup portion packs.
That's fantastic.
And under $100 too. Under $100.
Yeah, that is great for dorm rooms. I didn't even think about that, but that's a brilliant idea. Okay, what do we have here at the end?
Kids love listening to music, no matter what the age they are, but they want to take their tunes with them and be able to listen to them in a big way. This is from Acoustic Research. It's a portable, custom wireless speaker with something called Skinit. This is actually the back of that portable speaker. And this is a transfer. You get one transfer with each one that you purchase, and you have the ability to pick from over thousands of designs designs, including your favorite college teams, pro teams, Hello Kitty, where you can even upload your own photo or artwork, and you can customize the Skin-It, and you'll see in the back there, this one's been customized. You can stream your music from your Bluetooth wireless device, or if you've got an old school MP3 player, there's a 3.5mm jack that you just plug it in, and there's a special hidden compartment behind the Skin-It that you can hide your keys, your MP3 player, all that stuff, and it's weatherproof too, and has great sound, under $130.
This thing is brilliant for tailgating. I mean, and it's like it's bringing back the boombox too. I can see kids even walking around with this.
And shame on me for not having a Skin-It for the Bucks, but
that you will forgive you.
Yeah, okay.
Next time, I promise. One of our reporters is in the studio right now. He's a big Wisconsin fan, though, and I saw him be like, "What?" when you had the Notre Dame one up.
Yeah, what do I have? Alabama. And I've got the Fighting Irish.
But seriously, I mean, that's
sorry.
Heard a boo in the studio. But seriously, I think this is a really, really cool item to get a college kid. If you can't think of anything else, if they've already got everything that they think they need, this is fantastic, and they're never going to realize how much they're going to use it.
That's right. We've got one more item right here. Everybody's familiar with the battery company Energizer. You've heard of them before. They've created something that is very unique because kids in dorm rooms love to have candles all over the place. However, there's a policy. You cannot have those flames burning, and even if the policy didn't exist and they lived off campus, you don't want burning flames. It's dangerous. So they have created flameless candles that are very different from the ones that people are familiar with for two different reasons. This is called the Edge Collection. I'm going to hand this to you.
Okay.
It's kind of got a contemporary design.
And it's on right now.
And we've got lights on in the studio, but it has a realistic flicker to it.
Yeah.
It also has got a touch control for on and off. So if you touch it, let's see if I can do it with my hand. There we go. It'll turn it off.
How
and
about that?
Turn it back on. And it also has a timer setting too. And then there is the real wax version or style. And if you take a look at this one, feel it. It's actually made of 100% wax.
Oh, it does feel like a real candle.
And smell it. They come in different scents. They come in different sizes, timed settings, even has a realistic melted edge. So it looks like the real deal. So based on the fact that it comes in different colors and scents and sizes, kids are going to love decorating with them. And they do come with the batteries. They've created a new battery, actually updated the technology, their Max battery. And what's unique about them is the fact that they've been designed to stay on the shelf or in storage or in your candle if they're not in use and be fresh as they were as the day they went in the package for up to 10 years.
Energy's not being leached out as they're just not being in use.
That's correct.
You find the coolest stuff, David. I'm not kidding.
Well, you know what's good? Doing this as long as I've done it, companies actually, I get bombarded, probably the average about 500 emails a day with, check out this new product. 9 times out of 10, you know, when you see an ad, you're like, yeah, it's kind of same old, same old. But when we see something that's really different and a game changer over at Behind the Buy, we get really psyched about it.
Pick the best. Thank you so much, David, for being with us today. And we'll be bringing you more later on in other Studio 10 episodes from David as well. So be sure to tune in. Up next, investigative reporter Charles Duhigg explores the power of habit in his new best-selling book. We're going to share his surprising findings right after the break.
This segment was sponsored by BehindTheBuy.com.